All right.
Can make the impossible possible. Anything is created, and it always accomplishes what it's set out to do. They can move.
Is that song?
Ladies and gentlemen,
That song.
oh, come on, LA, get up. Put your hands together. Like a wind, if you can do it. If we ever need
That
God
song.
before we do, yes we do.
Yeah, that is her.
Don't you be a doubt.
Our church opens up.
If we ever needed God before, make the noise, LA. Yeah. Father up in heaven, Lord, we sure need a blessing. If we ever needed God before, Mr. Marvin Sapp. You make so
All right, Marvin.
we do. God knows exactly what to do. And you will see a sudden change. He knows exactly what you need. If you do need it, we need a word from heaven. Someone in the need of blessing.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome your co-hosts for the evening, Donald Lawrence and CeCe Winans.
Y'all in the house tonight. Y'all ready to make this a wonderful finale? Give yourselves a big hand. Yeah. Listen, LA, welcome to Verizon's How Sweet the Sound grand finale.
We are so excited to be back in the world-famous Staples Center for our celebration of the very best church choirs in America.
CeCe, I got to say this. As always, you look amazing tonight. Come on, y'all.
Yes,
Now listen right here, everyone. I need you to help me congratulate CeCe for her most recent accomplishment. October 20th, BB and CeCe were given their own star on the Hollywood. That's the way you do it in the kingdom.
Thank you. And it was such an honor. Thank you all for your support, your love, for my family, for our music. None of us, I love you too. We could not do what we do without you. So give yourselves a hand, all right?
All right.
It is an honor also to share the stage with my friend and my brother, Mr. Donald Lawrence. Come on, you can do better than that. We have had an incredible time traveling across the country to 9 cities in our search for America's best church choir. It was such a blessing to witness the musicianship and praise of over 70 participating choirs.
Yes, it was, CeCe, and it all culminates here tonight in LA.
In LA.
From each of our regional shows will perform right on this very stage, but only one will be named the 2011 Best Church Choir in America.
All right.
Listen. In fact, last year's winner came from right here in Compton, Voices of Destiny.
All right. Compton.
They were wonderful. We've also got some superstars here with us who are going to help bring down the house. It's going to be an unforgettable evening of show-stopping performances and a few special surprises.
Listen, our choirs will be judged based on the following criteria: stage presence, technical merit, originality, and interpretation.
Tonight, we'll be awarding 3 prizes. Our first prize is the Verizon Video People's Choice Award. You, the audience, will award a choir with $5,000 by telling us who was your favorite choir via text to vote. Every vote counts, so make sure you've got your phones, any phones, ready. Verizon Video is an exclusive service that allows you to enjoy, on demand, access to your favorite TV shows and gospel music from artists like Donald and myself.
Yeah. Listen, our runner-up will receive $15,000, and one choir will be named America's Best Church Choir and receive a check for $25,000.
And that's not all. Once again, the winning choir will win an all-expense-paid trip to Indianapolis to perform at the NFL Super Bowl Gospel Celebration.
All right.
So without further ado, let's introduce our judges. He is a singer, composer, multi-instrumentalist, producer, and worship leader who has created a portfolio of songs that have become standards in the houses of faith. He has blasted down musical barriers and been graced with 2 gold-selling albums, 13 Dove Awards, 2 Stellar Awards, and 4 Grammy Awards. In his latest musical offering, he takes a break from his group New Breed to release a solo album, Love God, Love People. Please welcome my friend and brother, Mr. Israel Houghton.
All right.
Good to see you, my friend.
As one of the genre's true icons, she exemplifies everything good in gospel music, while staying both timely and timeless. This 11-time Grammy Award winner, has sung for presidents and world leaders, all while serving up her vintage brand of gospel music. For decades, with over 30 sold albums to her credit. For over 30 solo albums to her credit. Please welcome the incomparable Shirley C.
Oh my gosh.
I love her.
10% left. Good Lord. Okay, I gotta stop.